Hey precious family, we thank God for another day. Thank you all my viewers and my subscribers. And if you are new here, you are welcome to Ahobrasia Kitchen. Today we're making baked koose, and on the healthy side we are using black beans and we are baking it. Let's get to work. So the ingredients are simple. We have ginger, pepper, onions, and green spring onions. We have 2 eggs here, and I'm going to add a little bit of the olive oil. I soaked my beans for 6 hours. Okay, so now we're going to blend it with the spices. We're going to blend our beans, and the water you add it little by little as you blend them, so it doesn't become watery. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit more water. Okay, you see. Okay, so this is how you want your paste to be. Yeah, thick, see. Okay. Now I'm adding my salt. There's a unchin akahwai unchin to taste. Then you add a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit. Like that. Now I'm going to use my hand mixer. BB collections. And we had the foam say about your kama. And so hairstylist for weddings, naming ceremony. Dr. Strands GH. Obey your say fe. Alfredo, about the Pama wedding dress, Nina, or bombarding womupa. Or not so yet, wear TK. Okay, my eggs. Okay, so now it's lighter, you see, and fluffy. Okay, our onions. I'm using baking cups, so I'm going to use the brush and some oil. Okay, now we're filling. Okay, hey. Some green onions. Okay, I bake it on 360 for 30 minutes. And how can you tell that it's ready? It is ready. You see the edges here, and then you use your stick or anything that is sharp, and then if it's not wet, that means ready. This is our black beans koose baked. You see, look at it inside. So look, you see that? Papa no. Yeah, look. Yep, that's it. And I have this one here. The difference between the two is I soaked the beans, this one for 4 hours and this for, if you want it more dark to see the color, then you have to soak it less hours. Yes, so here we are. And that's the fried one. I fried this one too, the same black beans.